Hi, this is my Screencasting screencasting assignment, and today I wanted to show you how you can put take your proofreading to another level. This is an old essay that I wrote last semester, and I'm going to show you how you can put it into the website Grammarly to get it proofread. First, you're just going to want to go to the Grammarly website. And if you don't already have an account, you can easily make one. There's a free option, and then you can even pay for the premium option. I just have the free option. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to New, and then it takes you to this blank place. And what you're going to do is you're just going to copy and paste your entire essay into the program itself. I'm just going to do the essay. You don't need to worry about the bibliography or anything like that. I just do the entire essay, and I just copy that. And then I go back to Grammarly and I paste it. And then it's going to ask you like what you specifically want, and I always select expert just because as a college student I want it to be the best. My formality, this just depends on what you're supposed to be writing. Mine was informal, or actually it was neutral. My tone, you can select a bunch of things, and you can go back and reset them too. So now that my essay is in the program, you can see right here, these are all the things that they are picking up. They're picking up that these are all the corrections I need to make. I have 29 alerts, so there's 29 corrections that they think that I can make. And then it also says the delivery of it is just right. The engagement, it says it's a bit bland. Help make your writing more interesting and effective. So this is like more of a premium setting, but this just helps me in ways that, because I'm a good proofreader anyway, but this just helps me be a little bit more confident before I turn in my essay. So I can just go in and make all these corrections and then reread it, and it just makes me a little bit more confident that it's super simple to navigate around, and you can save and go back to it. So I just really like this little tool, and you can also make it as a little tool on your dashboard right here, so that Grammarly will be involved in everything you type in other websites too. And Grammarly even helps me while I'm typing other essays, so sometimes I don't even have to put it into this website. It's already helping me while I do it. So I just really encourage everybody to look into Grammarly, and I hope this screencasting was informative and helpful for everybody. Thanks.